Oscar Gustav Bjork was born January 15, 1860, died December 5, 1929, was a Swedish painter and a professor at the Royal Swedish Academy of Arts. Bjork was a student of Edvard Perseus at the Academy, where his paintings included Loki Imprisoned, Gustav Vasa Before King Hans, and Return of the Prodigal Son, which was awarded the Royal Medal. In 1883, Bjork was awarded a travel scholarship. He spent the winter of 1883–84 in Paris. The following winter, he went to Munich, where he painted a few portraits, including a full-length painting of his wife. In the spring of 1885, he moved to Venice and, in the autumn, to Rome, where he painted the large portrait of Susanna in Gothenburg Museum of Art and Roman blacksmiths in Washington National Gallery of Art, Washington. In 1887, he completed a number of paintings, including the Venetian Hall National Museum of Sweden, and Saturday Mass in St. Mark's Church.